The Tor network consists of two kinds of relay nodes, normal relay nodes and bridge relay nodes. The normal relay nodes are listed in the main Tor directory, and the connection to them can be easily identified and blocked by the sensors. So the Tor bridges is the contiguous list of relays is available to everyone. It's easy for a government, a law enforcement agency, or any network or adversary to block you from using tools by blocking all the relays that are in the consequences. So a bridge is an unpublished relay to attempt to solve the problem, but the Tor relays being blocked, bridge became your first relay instead of the guard relay. So no money to use as bridge if using toward the block by censorship or using Tor dangerous. Wherever is legal, wherever is considered suspicious to your adversaries. So if you live in an uncensored area, bridges are not necessary, and also showed than using a normal entry guard. So a Tor project page that you can see in front of you, it's called bridges, provided the details of a free bridges at a time to stop all the bridges from being known. So we can get the new bridges from a URL in here. So you can click and you can just have the option to get the normal bridge. So this is the bridge. So if you just click in here, so you can get normal bridge in here. So you can have like advanced, like you can use IPv6 address and etc. So we will also discuss what are the pluggable transports later. So let's now create just create a or get a bridge. So just click, just give me a bridge, complete the captcha WZVQD2Z. As you can see, these are the bridges. So there are three bridges in here: IP address, so IP address, port, and all of those, and the ID. So if you cannot reach this URL, then just simply mail to their developer, then they will give you the bridge. But mainly you will get all of those bridge in here. Simply just go to the bridge.torproject.org. So these products are generally less reliable and slower than Tor relays. So now how to use this? So let me show you how to put this into your browser. So let's just copy this, go to your setting, Tor browser setting, search for bridge. As you can see, it's automatically detected the bridge. So let's just, so you just click in here, use a bridge. You can request a bridge event from in here similarly like this. So let's say QJJ79 and Z. As you can see, it requested the same way that we get our bridge in here or here. So just click in here. So let's now test this out. To see if my internet service provider or ISP blocks connection to the Tor network that we entered our custom bridges. So let's try Tor project. As you can see, it's working, and even we have like many relays or circuits coming from in here. So it's pretty quick. So your bridges can be a little slow. It depends on the bridges. So you can see that the circuit check which one are the successful. So we are in here like Poland, and we are using bridge in here. As you can see, these are the bridges that we are using. So if you are setting a default bridge and you can just reload this page, then you will see that our bridge is grown. As you can see, it's now selected the IP address from Switzerland. So now that we see how our bridges is working properly, but if you are in a United States, then it may not work. Your ISP may block this. So it's mainly depends on country. So likes of Chinese government and other censored nations will likely be doing the same sort of things, that you won't be using or you won't be access those using manual bridges that we set. So bypass censorship, Debian would be the best operating system to use. There is also like CentOS or which OS that we use, which all uses the Debian. So now already that we finished using the bridges. So let's talk about the censorship problem. So if someone offers to help you out of your censorship problem, or you don't need to 100% trust by giving a Tor bridge to help you access to talk. So be aware, this could be a monitor based and a deliberate trap. So avoid if getting caught for using Tor, because Tor has some serious consequences, whether you are using Tor bridges or because which is not recommended by me, because some countries they are restricted or they are banned from using Tor. So it's better to use bridges, include toggling tool through other privacy and anonymity service like VPN or SSH tool, or using a offsite connection. So there will be then no consequences. So that's all about the bridges. So let's talk about now pluggable transport. So as we all know, some countries censor internet traffic. So Tor traffic is blocked there because its anonymity conflict with the internet censorship. So normal Tor traffic can be blocked by identifying its protocol packets and antennas, which are listed in the main Tor directory. To circumvent internet censorship, Tor introduce bridge relay nodes and pluggable transports. So bridge relay nodes are not bridge relay nodes are now listed in the main Tor directory, so that nobody can get all the bridge relay nodes to block them. So pluggable transport manipulates all Tor traffics between Tor client and Tor antenna so that it's not identifiable. So OBF-S4 is the largest or latest pluggable transport of Tor, which can obfuscate the Tor traffic and have it look random. So we previously tested. So OBSP4, OBF-S4. So let's try again to check if it's working or not. As you can see, OBF-4 is bridge is connected through this. So that's how this all works. So that's all about the Tor.